Monopoly P. They said he came from nothing, but nothing was just a start.
Got the garage door in. They coming to lay the brick in over the weekend. Windows in. Sheetrock sanded, mudded, ready for paint. Process coming along pretty good. We got the paint here, ready to rock and roll. Hot water heater, toilets, tubs. Coming along pretty good. HVAC ran, ready for the unit to show up. Master suite and bathroom. Got it boarded and ready for the tile work. It's gonna be real good. Y'all just stay tuned, man. PP Investments. Everybody does a little, so nobody has to do a lot. Shoo!